we made it home with the Z last night. I was able to take it to work today. I was sick. But Samsquanch is getting the windshield replaced on the 240 today by our friend Cody.
Look at this thing.
Yeah, this thing's crazy. It's horrifying.
There she is.
Everything he uses looks like it's gonna mess you up.
It can. Oh, I got him with this little scraper tool right here. So this blue one, that's when I got me in the hand right there.
Ooh. Damn.
And that's the cut I was telling you about. Like,
holy shit!
So what happened is I was like cutting like a little corner piece off the glass, right? And I was cutting away from me too, and like when it slipped, like it went like this, and like I went to pull it back. You know what I mean?
Oh yeah.
Reflex, right?
Yeah, the reflex, and it went in so smooth, like it didn't hurt one bit. Like it went in like weird, like butter, like hot knife through butter, and like I'm like. Whew. I looked down and just immediately gushing blood.
Yeah.
I moved my hand and my bone came out, and I'm like, yeah, it's out of my pay grade. That's out of my pay grade. I'm going to the hospital.
Hey, look, it's me. That's so cool.
There she goes. Come on, tool.
Yeah, it looks so much better.
Wow.
Yeah, I'm highly doubtful that any water's going to make it past that barrier that you just put in there.
Nope.
Looks
If it
so
does-
nice.
You are covered by the lifetime warranty, so if it does leak, I'll redo it, no problem.
Hell yeah. I'm excited for you. That's cool. You'll be able to see.
You can't have it back.
I don't want it back.
I know you don't.
I'm happy that this car is still at this house, and I'm also happy that this car is no longer mine.
You guys didn't have a good relationship.
No, I didn't have a good time with this car. Glad you like it though. That makes me happy.
Well, let's see what happens with the new one. See if that one treats you better.
Oh man, it's so clean.
Wait till like in the daytime, dude, you bring it out. Dude, it's nuts.
Yeah, now like the car looks so filthy.
The first, like, if you like just, I'm sure you guys cut about the paint a lot, but the first like detail after with fresh glass, dude, it's like feels like a whole new car. It's scary.
Yeah, you probably have done more S13 windshields than anyone else in the state, I'll bet. Just through association.
I could put money on that, for sure. Absolutely.
Probably a lot of E36s.
Oh,
too.
also, for all his followers, I source JZX windows. So all X80s, all X90s, 100s, all that stuff. I source them, so hit me up.
That's impossible.
Damn. Cody's got the big hookups.
Your Skyline, dude, I can get the windshield for it.
Luckily, the windshield is okay for now.
else is
But I worry about that.
I got you.
Thank you.
They're more expensive, but I got you.
Hell yeah. If
What?
anyone who watches the videos ever needs a windshield in the Portland metro area, you hit up Cody and he'll get you right. This is like
Instagram, just at Cody Perry, DM me,
Yep.
I got you.
yeah,
Easy.
bam.
It
We'll
was
put it
super easy.
right there.
Bingo.
But this is it's gorgeous, man. We're gonna be able to
It's
see.
like, yeah, it's like that's crazy. It's
Oh,
nuts.
show him the E32, Or
yeah.
you pulled it
Oh,
around?
we'll have to do it.
We'll do it
Yeah,
the light,
tomorrow.
but
That E30 was a bitch. That was like 2 hours.
It was so
It's
so rewarding though. Like after like dealing with all that, I saw it and I'm like, I'll stay here for another hour. And
I don't know how he stayed so patient with the whole thing. He's fiddling with the trim.
You have
forever.
to. You lose your patience. You crack the glass, and you're driving an hour away to grab another piece. So
you gotta be patient.
Oh my god, it looks so good.
It looks gorgeous. Sorry.
no, you're good.
Hell yeah.
Wow.
It's awesome.
Why did I wait so
Thank
long?
you so much.
Jonas is trying to keep it on the road, and it's mostly working.
Actually on the road to a little town in Oregon called Silverton, and a really good dude is
Our buddy Seth.
Yeah.
He's helped us out with like all our stuff. With the 240, he got us a ton of interior parts and gave him some side skirts. We traded side skirts. Yeah, so your side skirts came from Seth's old car.
oh man, I love my side skirts.
Yeah.
Thanks.
The side skirts and the spats are from Seth.
My the favorite
And
parts
the,
on a car besides the fenders.
The parcel shelf and some other stuff. Some other
Just
interior bits.
super
Just
generous,
like,
dude.
Here you go.
Yeah,
Super,
nice, dude.
super awesome. Anyway, sorry. Totally interrupting you.
Oh no, please do. So yeah, we're on the way to. We're gonna pick up a porta-Power. He saw the Z32, and he was like, "Hey, you guys need this
You guys
more
need
than me." He's got what is he? He got the rollover.
Yeah, he used to have an RB20 swap 240, but recently at Park there was this kid from Seattle who came down and rolled his Laurel, and Seth jumped on the kid and was like, "Hey, give me your shit. I want to fix it." And
He traded for the S13, right?
I think they ended up trading something close to straight across, but like hell yeah, it was like the roof on this Laurel was fucked. It was smashed. It's a Laurel. It doesn't have B pillars. It like totally flattened. Yeah, this car flipped at Park, but Seth is saving it. He's used this porta-Power as much as he's gonna, and so we're gonna go pick it up.
Saw the video of it getting rolled.
Yeah, didn't see it.
So here's the Laurel we were just talking about.
It's gonna live.
This guy actually knows what he's doing. Gonna put some bolts in that roll cage?
Going to. I just had to check fit that the A pillar was actually straight enough to clear the cage.
Oh yeah.
Have you ever seen what it says for an engine?
Not this one.
It's not an RB.
What?
This is an SR swap.
No
Nice.
way!
Yep. Blacktop S13 with the, I think it's an S15 T28.
Hell yeah, dude.
550
The bay
cc.
looks sick.
Yeah, it's really clean.
It's very nice. That's awesome, dude. Bet it still drives good, huh?
It does drive really good. It's on Fortune Auto coils.
Hell yeah.
Like, it's nice underneath. It's nicer underneath than it is on top.
Yeah.
And these cars are so damn cool.
Yeah, so it's got PBM angle kit.
Yeah?
Full PBM, everything. It's got R32 GTR front brakes.
Oh.
I have a OEM glass coming. It was $900.
Did Cody get it for you, or?
No, I got it Virginia, right? Japan parts service.
Nice.
Yeah. That was a nice.
Well, now your car's going to be heavier.
Yeah. All 20 pounds.
Right. And well worth it.
So exciting. It's
Speaking of pearl white,
Oh god, I hate this color.
do you? We love it.
It's like not white and it's not off-white.
Yeah, I love pearl white. I always have. This is pretty damn good, though.
Yeah. For what it was.
Yeah, it's amazing. And you did that dude a solid by taking it off his hands, I'm sure.
Yeah.
He was just looking to get out from underneath it.
There are so few people who could actually do anything with this, and would. Like
Everyone was like, get rid of it.
I had people
No,
messaging me that were like, get
fuck
rid of that
that.
car, like scrap it. It's not worth anything. It's not fixable.
Yeah.
Oh, screw that.
I daily drove it all summer long.
Hell yeah.
Literally to work and back every day.
Yeah, now it's got history too.
Yeah.
And screw your junk title. I don't care. It
It's
seems
actually still a
cool.
clean title because I have it at the track.
Is it clean? Nice.
I have a clean title for it.
That's right.
That's so awesome. Wow. It's gonna be good. All right, guys, that's gonna be it for this one. Thank you to Cody for coming and fixing the 240 and the E30. Both of those cars had cracked windshields, and he fixed them up real good. And also thank you to Seth for the porta-Power, because that is like, that's huge, dude. We're gonna be able to do so much stuff with the porta-Power. We're gonna be able to fix the Z and all sorts of stuff. If we smash cars into walls, like, the porta-Power is a huge tool, and it's gonna help in so many ways. It's amazing. So thank you so much, Seth. We might be doing some stuff with Seth's Laurel in the future. Don't know. We talked about it. We'll see what happens. But yeah, be cool. And yeah, it's a fun video to film. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And we'll see you in the next one. We start working on the Z a little bit, and we finally clean up the shop, because the shop was really, really gross. See you then. Thank you guys. Have a good rest of your day.
Gets back here, it starts sounding like a wood or something. Oh, there's nothing there.